As we know, HTML is the hypertext markup language. By using this language, we can create the frame of a web page. Implementing that frame, we can create a website or web application, and that can be generated with the help of the HTML language only. By using the base, we can cover up the whole application very quickly and very easily. As per now, the latest version of HTML is HTML5 that introduced some new tags. Those were not presented before. That means we can do a lot of things without using the div, head and paragraph tags. In this video, I will tell you about the 8 most important HTML tags no one knows about. Those were introduced in HTML5 and we will learn those. The basic HTML5 tags such as header, footer and navs are self-explanatory. I don't need to explain those more about. But there are a hell lot of more tags that designer don't know about. So in this video I will tell you about those. By my exploration, I have found 8 different new tags of HTML that a designer must pick to use them in his application, so that you can enhance some more feature in your application. Those were introduced in latest version of HTML, HTML5. The first tag is the picture tag. It is similar to the image tag present over HTML.
So the first one is the picture tag. It is basically the similar to image tag available in HTML. So the picture element provide flexibility by allowing multiple source element for the same resource. So let me write the picture tag over here. As you can see, this is my standard editor, Sublime text editor. In here I will put the picture tag. So in the picture tag, as you can see that this is the picture tag tag and picture tag end in the line number 4. Inside this I have a source, and the source is having one image. That image is yt.image. Okay, yt.png. Similarly, there is another image source also available. So if I will refresh and I will open in this in my browser, you can see that the image is being loaded. So image is being loaded using the picture tag. So this can adapt based on the media query or image type support. For example, a newer image version is launched, that is called WEBP, is like the image extension, so for newer browsers. Okay, and this is for this image is for smaller size, that help us to optimize our overall website, and that leads us to the good performance in our website. This picture format supports if you use picture tag only. The second popular tag is data list. The data list tag provide an autocomplete infrastructure for input elements. Let me guide you through that. This is my Sublime text editor. I will put the code over here. So this is my input. Inside input, the list is food. Okay, the same list is called over here, and I have different option available. Like 5 option I have available for the value is of roti, rice, paratha, naan and kulcha. So if I will save this, and go to my browser, if I will refresh this, so this is my like autocomplete box. So autocomplete box, how I can generate it? I have generated through my data list tag. So here you can see there are plenty of options that we have put inside our code, that is written over here. So you can see that paratha option is there. If I will write PA, and the suggestion is given. So this is due to the help of our tag, that is tag is called data list tag. Each list contains a set of option. As you can see, if I will go to the code, contains a set of option element that have an associated value available. When linked to input using the list attribute, as I can see, the list attribute is linked with the help of input. It can provide a drop down list or even a suggestion that user can complete. Okay, like this. The third tag that is available is DL. This DL tag is otherwise called the description list or DL tag. Elements serve as a container for group of defined term. Inside each term in DT and definition DD are grouped together to form grocery like structure. So let me guide you through that. So as you can see, this is my DL tag open and DL tag close. So let me like format it in a better way, so it looks good now. So DL tag open and DL tag close. Inside this DL is term as definition list. Inside this there is a tag called DT. The DT is called the definition term. Okay, this is definition term, otherwise we can mention as, we can know as definition heading I can say the dd is definition description. So every time a dl, inside dl two things must remain, one is definition term and another is definition description. This must be written over it. So now let me refresh, let me save over here, let me come to my browser. If I refresh, you can see that there is a term and there is a description, term and description and term and description. So this is the general scenario of our DL tag, grocery like structure. While it apply basic formatting by default, semantic HTML benefit, screen reader and other automated tool such as scroller can be read the things very easily.
As I am explaining the different new HTML tags, if you have any doubts in between, you can put those down in the comment section below. I will eagerly answer those.
The next tag is details tag. Accordions are common design pattern when lots of data needs to be shown at once, such as a question page, right? So let me clear over this. By using the details tag element alongside summary, we can achieve the same effect without JavaScript. Let me guide you through that. So let me write over here. As you can see, this is our details tag, detail tag open, detail tag close. Inside this, as I have told, that summary tag, inside summary tag, this is my summary I have written, inside p tag the some paragraph I have written. Let me come to our browser and save, that you can find that it looks like this. Now if I will put one more paragraph tag over here, copy this, paste this and write hello world again, save it. Now refresh and the accordion is closed. Now open the accordion and all the details are found below the accordion. So this is the basically concept about the details tag. The next one is the definition tag. Complex term or abbreviation often need defining for those that are not familiar. A term wrap inside a definition tag will be defined by the text that surround it. So let me guide you for that. So let me clear this and as you can see, I have a paragraph tag. Inside paragraph tag I have definition open and definition close. Inside the definition the HTML term is mentioned and after that definition the explanation is mentioned. Save this, refresh this and as you can see the header term HTML is italic and rest other looks like this. This is an inline element and is designed to be used to highlight definition in human language. So what tag is needed? The tag is called definition tag. The sixth one is the figure tag. A figure is defined as a unit of content that often appear in the main flow of a document but can be also interpreted separately. The figure tag element wrap an image or other reference content and also include a description of the content with the tag called fig caption. So let me guide you through that. So as you can see, this is my figure tag. Inside my figure tag, this is my figure open and figure tag close. Inside the figure I have one image tag. Inside image tag, as you can see, some image is written, alt tag is written and style is written. So this is my caption for that particular image. So let me utilize the particular image yt.png image I want to use and the caption is YouTube logo, something like this. Alt is YouTube, you can write. Save this and now refresh. As you can see, this is my YouTube logo and if I will like minimize or if I will zoom out little bit, you can see this is my logo and this is my caption available for the logo. Got it guys? So this is all about the figure tag and the caption is written in the help of figure caption tag. And the seventh popular tag is with the technical writing. It can be also useful to visually separate computer code from the rest of the sentence. By wrapping each of the occurrence in a code tag, the browser can apply some default formatting to display it more appropriately, combined with a pre for larger block of block. So let me guide you through that. Let me put this. So inside code tag there is a piece of computer code, a line is written, right? And now inside this I can write a tag called pre. Inside pre I can write the same thing, copy it and paste it and put
something like mark over here. Refresh, you can see that there are two lines present and the lines are otherwise termed as the code. Okay, so browser understand the lines differently. Browser can apply some default formatting to display it more appropriately. So if you don't get it now, inside a paragraph tag, if I will write the same thing, let me guide you through that. Save and now refresh. See, this is the normal paragraph and this is the code written. Okay, this is the code written. So here inside this I can write some code like retag. You can write something over like this. You can refresh. The code looks different and the text looks different. So this is the visual separation of computer code and computer text. The 8th and the final one is the time tag. We can write time value differently depending on the context of the language. By marking the value with the time tag, search engine and other automated tool can quickly extract the information from our browser or from our website. So let me guide you through that. So here inside paragraph tag I have written the Cure will be celebrating their 40th anniversary on, and a time tag open and time tag close over here, and I have mentioned the attribute name is date time attribute, and the date time I have given and I have written it over the paragraph tag itself. So now let me save it, refresh, and you can see the Cure will be celebrating the 40th anniversary on July 7, this Hyde Park. Now search engine and other automated tool will quickly extract the information from the code. Use this date time attribute as I have used the date time attribute to supply specific time in a more machine friendly format, so that the search engine and other valuable information can be extracted over it. If you are a web designer and want to make a career in web design field, so I have a dedicated YouTube channel over where you can check out all the videos and you can learn from those. So there are plenty of videos available in my channel, as you can see, and all the videos are informational related to this particular topic. So you can go through these videos and you can achieve a great expertise onto this. So why don't you check out right now? Hope this video give you better idea about new tags introduced in HTML5. Right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. If you liked this video, why don't you check out my other videos on my YouTube channel?